Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the essentials. Open the App Store and install Hotspot Vpn, then grant location and local network permissions when prompted. Make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS or at least one major release behind, because VPN profiles can fail on very old builds. Enter your Apple ID password if requested, and keep Wi-Fi credentials and device passcode nearby. This streamlines authentication and avoids breaks. Once done, launch the app and tap Create Account or Sign In to begin the configuration flow. You now sign in and choose a server. Prioritize nearby servers for speed or a specific country for location needs. After selecting, allow the app to add a VPN configuration. iOS asks to install a profile. Accept it, because that lets the system route traffic securely. Next, enable features like kill switch to block leaks and auto connect on untrusted Wi-Fi. Use split tunneling only if you need some apps to bypass the VPN. Make sure the VPN status reads connected before proceeding to the next step. Finish by verifying the VPN actually protects you. Run a DNS/IP leak check or open a region-locked site to confirm the reported location matches the server. If you see issues, toggle the VPN off and on, restart your iPhone, and reopen the app. This often clears profile conflicts. If problems persist, remove extra VPN profiles in Settings, reinstall the app, and update iOS. One key troubleshooting tip: if DNS leaks occur, switch servers or enable the app's built-in DNS feature to force secure resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.